You niggas keep offering me food. Told them I'm well off, but next thing the bunning on food. Them niggas fell off.
Nothing not going for them out of the game. Yeah? Nothing not going for them, don't make no sense. Them don't make no sense like the K in a knife. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are reacting to JOEYJoey, JOEYJoey, ready to win. JOEYJoey, ready to win. So this is a very interesting thing. About a couple months ago, JOEYJoey friend, linked me on my DM and say, yo, brother, I need for you react to my brethren song, my friend's song. So I pre-read and I say, yeah, your friend's song, alright, cool. So I tell him, say, it a go boom for your fee and thing. Him say, yeah man, that cool man, no worry yourself. I say, alright then, boom, alright, cool, ready. Goes a boom and everything, plan up and everything. Say, I say, alright then, boom. Me link my man and I say, brother, is this guy your friend? Him say, yes, it's my friend. I say, bro, if you are friend, if you are friend like that where you want to see win so much, I need friend like you, bro. I need my friends to want me to win too. Like, bro, Joey, yeah, watch this, brother. The youth, when they on Instagram, I'm going to tell you exactly where I'm name, my fam. I'm going to tell you exactly where I'm name, brother. Don't ever cross that bridging dog. That bridging is a true bridging dog. It's not a joke. Clinton Graham him name. Clinton Graham. That is a true bridging, Joey. So big up Clinton. Big up Clinton. Clinton make this possible. Clinton pay for the reaction and Clinton is here. Joey, if you ever make it in life rich, don't forget them Utah. You hear me? You hear me I say? Don't forget them Utah, my fam. So big up yourself, my G. Let's jump straight tonight. Let's go. Yeah, see it up on the top. JOEYJoey ready to win. I hope it is a good track. Because if it's not, I'm going to tell you, Joey. If it's not, I'm going to tell you. And you're going to vex. And Clinton are going to vex. So, I'm going to put on the social. Alright? So, let's go.
Joey. XL Daily.
See there? JOEYJoey ready to win. Rolex popping. Rolex popping.
Put the metal in his mouth like braces and treat him like a bitch nigga he is and tell him to taste it.
Woo! What? Put the metal in his mouth like braces. Treat him like a bitch nigga and say, pussy, taste my gun. That's how the man I deal with that. That's how the man I deal with your P-U-S-S-Y. Cause yeah. You is nothing but a little chink. That's how the man I deal. Pull up that song there, brother. Pull up that. Yeah.
Put the metal in his mouth like braces and treat him like a bitch nigga he is and tell him to taste it.
You hear that? Badness in him as this song start. I got a feeling that I'm gonna really enjoy this reaction. And I hope you guys do too. If you guys do, I want to see your video on this channel. Link me up. The link is in the description for the Instagram. And link is on the email is on the channel also. Let's go, Joey.
I smoke my loud to the roach and I never waste it. Funny get niggas chance to blow and then they waste it.
It's funny how them get chance to blow and them waste it. You see me? It's funny when there's other people out there need a chance too. You see me? When I get a chance, take it, run with it, hold it with two hands and control it and run with it. Let's go.
When you getting that paper, haters can't take it. But me, I'm the original copy and they can't trace this.
Man, the original. I am the original copy. Them can't trace me. Them can't put me on paper and put tracing paper on me and trace me. No, negative, that will never happen. I am the original. You cannot copy me and send me off. No. I am the original. Try and know that. Let's go.
I change my phone every month, so feds can't trace this. No shells on the scene, but feds trying to catch me on cases.
I change my phone every month, so police can't chase me, brother. Them can't chase me. What I'm saying again, he said something after that.
Every month, so feds can't trace this. No shells on the scene, but feds trying to catch me on cases.
No shells on the scene. No shells. What am I telling about the spin barrel them? The spin barrel them don't leave shells, you know. The spin barrel them like the 38 and the Magnum them don't leave no spin barrel, no shells. But the feds them want to catch me. The feds, this is a old school rap. Me love them type of track, yeah. The old school rap. JOEYJoey, big up your fucking self. Clinton, big up your fucking self. Me love them type of track, yeah, dog. Me energetic, me fully boost about this one. Why am I so boost about this one? Bumbleclad, let's go!
And niggas talking hella shit, I tell them fuck off. 4/5 here will knock his whole fucking chest off.
Yo, you say what, brother? Yo, me I feel this. You know why I'm feeling this? Because I can't understand everything what he must say. Me not have to guess or spell what he's saying. Me know what he must say. Me understand what the G say because he's doing it nice and slow. Old school rap, brother. Him remind me of the game. The game? Yeah. The rapper there? Yeah. He must have feeling like
Tell him fuck off. 4/5 here will knock his whole fucking chest off. You niggas keep offering me food. Told them I'm well off. But next thing the bunning on food. Them niggas fell off.
First of all, there was offering me food. I'm saying, no, me good. I'm well off. Me good. I'm well off. Now them nigga you fall off. Them nigga you fall off. Them want somebody to take them food. Nothing not going for them out of the game. Yeah? Nothing not going for them don't make no sense. Them don't make no sense like the K in a knife. No sense.
Viagra flow, my nigga, I'm trying to stay up. Anybody owe me dough, they need to pay up.
Run me money. Anybody owe me do it, run me money. Viagra flow, me need to stay up. Anybody owe me do it, give me my money, you know. Give me my money, you know. That me I tell you now. Give me my money, dog.
Nine at his hands in the air like it's a sticker. My dog sending nitties to sleep, cracks waking him up.
The man say, him dark, him heroin, send the cat them to sleep. You see me? They send them to sleep, then the white wake them up. Yo, dog, behave yourself, man. Behave yourself,
When
man.
the sun's out, niggas hot-headed, shots flare. I'll be in Versace, slip-ons chilling in my deck chair.
Yo, it's clean. The G clean. The G fully clean out, brother. The G fully clean out, dog. Is that a Versace suit he's wearing? The G fully clean
Ting in
out.
the kitchen with a long hair. Chefing up a jerk chicken saying, baby, your food's here.
Voila, where's that?
Ting in the kitchen with a long hair. Chefing up a jerk chicken saying, baby, your food's here.
You know that. There's a Jamaican girl in the kitchen and chef up the thing with her long hair and say, baby, your jerk chicken is here, your food is here.
With a long hair. Chefing up a jerk chicken saying, baby, your food's here. With a Guinness.
Bumbleclad. So if a Jamaican, the G a Jamaican, not even... Joey, big up your bumbleclad self again, dog. Let's go.
Punch, that's a gear man's strength. Then I'm in the bando, slabs are hard food, no cement.
I'm in the bando slapping hard food, no sir. Guys, I'm pausing every 10 seconds. Less than 10 seconds, 5 seconds, because I'm breaking down everything what Joey has said. Remember, this is an upcoming artist, in my eyes, that I'm breaking down his lyrics. Because this might sound bad, but I'm waiting for him to say something wrong. So I can tell him, say, my youth, you're wrong. Move your bumbleclad, but he's not saying anything wrong. So, me have to give him the energy. Energy! Let's go!
Yeah, and what I said is what I meant. Weight in my boot, no gym, but it's got me moving tense.
Oh, yeah! Some of that, man.
I ain't got a job, but I'm still on job. Smoking on the star dog, chilling out with my dogs.
Man say me not have a job, but me still a tape on the job. You see me? The man I tell you say, yo, me not work for people. Me not have a legal job, but me have a job. Try to know that. Don't worry about that. Your girl give me blow job. Alright, let's go.
And I ain't trying to catch fleas. Shut up with the star 9, I'm letting off at least 3. Me, I got
Star 9. The star 9, the man say me let off at least 3. Him not trying to catch fleas, brother. Oh, the black cat.
raw nigga, plus I seen more. 2 bricks of each, that's what I call a connect for. I'm
2 bricks of each, that's what I call a connect for. A big weight in a dog. A big move in a... JOEYJoey, link me na my DM, brother. Jamaica underscore race underscore. See it run across the top of the screen there. Link me Joey. Link me.
trying to blow it like C4. Holler at me doggy if you need more. Versace boots all brown and sing.
Yeah, I was wrong. Versace, yeah. Versace. Man say, yo, Alert me if you need more. I'm the plug. I'm the plug. I'm not the cable that goes to the plug. No, I'm the plug.
Such a jacket round my hood, got the raccoon fur. Yeah, you niggas said it ain't fair. 4 fizzy spinning like the horses, nigga, no fair.
This guy is fucking... Why is he not bigger than this? Why is he not more popular than this? Why hasn't he got that big break it that he should get? This is some old school shit, dog. Like classic shit, bro.
Missionary style, got his girl's legs in the air. Then I fuck it doggy style while I'm pulling on the hair.
Missionary, legs in her ear. Turn her around, fuck her doggy style. When I pull her. I feel like a dominant, not a domination. The dominatrix is a woman. I'm a dominant one. Yeah. I just dominated this boy girl. Me dominate her. Did that wicked purport couple. What a blood clot.
Got his girl's legs in the air. Then I fuck it doggy style while I'm pulling on the hair.
Try know that. Try know that. How you feeling? How you feeling?
As soon as I bust my nut, there's no time for stalling. Said where you going, baby? Gotta go, that money's calling.
When the man said when him done knock it and him come, him have to say, yo baby, you got to go. The money's calling. The money's calling, be M.O.B. nigga. Money over bit.
Yo, it's WV6 with Marines, nigga. Yo, and that's the ends.
WV6. WV. Isn't that
real niggas left right now, nigga, yo, and that's my friends.
Yeah.
You niggas talking hella shit, wanna talk a hella piss, watch you blow in the wind.
Man said, anything what wanna say to me right now, it doesn't matter. Anything wanna say to me right now, it doesn't matter. It's like water off a duck's back. It drop, it run off. Talking in the wind, you're talking shit. There's only a few niggas left and a few real niggas left and them are my friend.
Yeah, my team behind me, that's why I excel daily, cause I'm ready to win.
Shit! Your team behind you, Joey. That's why you excel daily. When me say that the intro, a man like Clinton Graham, the man that they right by your side, the man that they behind you, the man that they be right by your side, bro. He's right by your fucking side, bro. No joke, bro. No joke, bro. So big up Clinton again, bro. And big up yourself, Joey, dog.
6 with Marines, nigga, yo, and that's the ends. That's the end. Only few real niggas left right now, nigga, yo, and that's my friends.
Yo, the power of the words when I talk, brother.
You niggas talking hella shit, wanna talk a hella piss, watch you blow in the wind. Talking shit.
Yo, Joey, the next video where you shoot, link me, brother. Want be in your video, dog. The next video where you shoot, link me. As an upcoming artist, my friend, the next video where you shoot, link me, brother. Me reach your foot and be in your video, dog. All that sound.
That's why I excel daily, cause I'm ready to win. Ready to win. Yo, we ready to win. My team ready to win.
Yeah, that the man emphasize that in team ready for win. We not take no L's out here. We're not taking no L's. We're ready to win. Who don't like it, drop asleep. Hear that?
Ready to win. My team we getting it in. My team we getting it in. Yo, we getting it in. Yo, we ready to win.
Yeah, the man I tell you, the man I tell you, we're ready for win. We getting it in, dog. The man mean when I say. The man mean when I say. Me feel when I say.
My team we getting it in.
Yo, oh my God. I wish every upcoming artist song me react to was on this level of production, dog. JOEYJoey XL. Me go follow him on Instagram. JOEYJoey XL. Me go follow you off my personal page. Guys. Hey, JOEYJoey, Clinton, let me tell you this. I was looking to see if we find anything when we can give you a constructive criticism pan, but we couldn't find nothing, my friend. Brother, you beat me, dog. Yo, this song is not a fucking joke, bro. I wish every young artist will link me feature them song on the channel. I wish on a production so good, on a quality so good. You see me? Brother, you have it, dog. You have it. Clinton, you is a true G. Is a true G, bro. I'm not sure if I Clinton your name, but the name Clinton Graham. I'm not if I Clinton your name in a real life, my friend, but you have it, my fam. Your friend have it, my fam. No joke, bro. No joke. Yo, big up on yourself. All young artists, link up. Link up. Let me give you a song some energy. Link up. Make we drink up. You know the thing already. People, this was JOEYJoey, ready to win. Check it out. The link will be in the description below. Check it out, guys. Check out all my socials up here. Young artists, reach out. My email address is on the channel. Why am I talking so loud? Because I'm so hyper. I'm going to drink some water. I'm going to eat some cornflakes. Yeah, cornflakes. I said it. Yeah, no, no cornflakes. I like me. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, JOEYJoey, big up myself. Clinton, big up myself. Up top!